Sunday morning breakfast in my house has always been pierogies, so that's what we're making today. Start with some bacon. I'm going to boil the pierogies before I pan fry them. You can also just go straight from frozen to pan frying. It just takes a lot longer. So I'm going to show the boiling method today. It doesn't take long for them to boil either. Just get your water good and hot, dump them in, and once they start to look a little bit soft, you're ready to go. Be careful on your transfer from pot to pan. The grease and the water don't mix very well, and they could spit everywhere, so just be a little bit careful. You can see me reducing the amount of water that I'm transferring every time with a little shake. To ensure that everything gets cooked evenly, it's important to go through with your tongs and manually flip some of the pierogies that aren't getting turned when you shuffle the pan. So just picking through here and making sure that the side without any char marks is touching the pan so we can get it even. You can see the difference here. One side's charred, one side's not. So just pick through. Then when both sides of every pierogi have a little bit of color on them, you're ready to get things plated up. Not being a big sour cream guy, I'll get my dairy with a little bit of cheese sprinkled on the top, and then we'll throw a little hot sauce on there as well. There you have a very tasty breakfast.